Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing my royal icing recipe with you. Every sugar cookie I've ever made has been decorated with this icing. It's a solid recipe that's perfect for beginners, it tastes great, and it's really easy to work with. You're going to need a 2-pound bag of powdered sugar, 6 tablespoons of meringue powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup water. Start by mixing your meringue powder in with your powdered sugar. I had my air running when I added mine, which is why you see a poof of powder. Make sure you mix on low so it doesn't get everywhere. While that's mixing, add your vanilla extract to the water. You can use other flavors of extract if you want, but I love how the vanilla tastes, so I always use that. While your mixer is on low, pour in your water and vanilla. The powdered sugar will slowly get incorporated and you'll see it start to turn a tan color, which is definitely not what we want. Just keep mixing and it'll start to come together. Once the sugar and the liquid have fully incorporated, turn your mixer up to medium or medium-high and mix for about 4 to 5 minutes. As your icing is mixing, it will start to add volume. It will become fluffy, smooth, and it will turn a bright white. I like to mix my icing to piping consistency. From here, it's really easy to thin it with water for flooding or thicken with powdered sugar for detail work. Once your icing is ready, it needs to be kept in an airtight container. You can use Tupperware, or if you have a KitchenAid, you can use a bowl cover, which is super convenient and doesn't dirty up something extra in your kitchen. I'll link them below if you want to check them out. And that's all there is to it. This recipe could not be easier to make, and it will keep for a few weeks covered at room temperature. If you don't use the icing within a day or so, you will need to remix it because it will start to separate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching.